Yeah, okay.
Yes.
All the
First, I'll share the guidelines.
okay. Go ahead.
So, can you see the screen?
Yes. I hope everyone can see the
Yes.
screen.
So, the guidelines are that will be shared in the chat box, and you need to enter your correct name to enter the quiz. Then the question will appear on your screen, and you will have five seconds to read the question. And after that, four options will appear on your screen, and you have 10 seconds to select the right answer. And if your answer becomes wrong, there are 0 points. And the more faster you choose the right answer, the more points you get. So the link is being shared in the chat box. You just need to click on it.
Okay, no need to enter the password, right?
No.
No.
Okay, just a moment.
So 17 are there now.
Okay.
Wait for the
then,
five
wait.
Yes.
More the part.
The options are 3rd, 8th, 7th, and 9th. So everyone has voted, and 16 got it right.
Wow, that's
Okay.
wonderful.
So we'll see the leaderboard.
Okay.
Yeah, because this
I'm
was
just sharing the screen, okay, for the leaderboard.
okay. Because
I'm
attention-
sharing it. So 60. So the fastest was Randeep this time.
Wow.
Okay, well done, Randeep.
So we are moving to the next question.
Okay.
Okay.
So 9 got it right, which is Kalia,
Okay,
and
Kalia.
7 of us got it wrong.
Oh. Who was the faster?
The fastest was Ishan this time. No, Srishti was the fastest.
Okay.
Srishti was
The
fastest.
fastest. Okay, well done, Shrishti.
So the second, there is very little difference between Ishan and Srishti, just 14
Well
points.
done, both of you.
All the top all the top 6 are very near to each other.
Okay.
Okay.
So the next question. So time's up. And 15 of us got it right, which is Govardhan Parvat.
Hmm.
This time the fastest was Kanak Upadhyay.
Oh, very good.
Good.
So first is Srishti, second is Kanak Upadhyay, and third is Ishan. They are very near.
Okay, well done. Bhavya kids are also getting oriented with the technology. This is the tech-savvy world. Great going.
So the next question. This one was not so easy. So 7 of us got it right.
Okay.
So Naga Lakshmi was the fastest this time.
Okay, well done.
And Kanak Upadhyay is the first, and Tejas is the second. Sonia ma'am, you are third. And Anvi is fourth.
Okay, great.
So this is the last question of this first quiz.
Okay. Now another one also we have to log in.
Yes. No, ma'am, there is one question.
Okay, one more question.
So 5 of us got it right. It was Demon Shankasur.
Okay.
And the fastest is Arpan this time.
Okay.
So the winner is Kanak Upadhyay.
Oh,
Very good, very
very
And
good.
the runner-ups are Tejas and Sonia.
Okay.
Good. Okay. Very good. Nidhi.
Very good.
So I'm just stopping the share so that I can enable the new quiz.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
One more quiz is awaiting. All of you be ready.
After this again.
So should I start?
Yes. Yes. Please.
Yes.
Yes. So I'm starting. The format will be the same of this. So 9 got right, which is Dwarka.
Okay.
And the fastest is Kanak Kavya.
Oh.
They are also the first. They are also at first position.
Oh.
Nine got it right, which is Shishupal.
Okay.
The fastest this time is Sonia ma'am. So the first is Pranati, second Kanak Kavya, and third Anvi. All the 5 are very near to each other, top 5.
Okay.
So next question. Seven got it right and 8 got it wrong.
Okay.
So I think the connection is lost just for a minute. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're back.
Yes, ma'am. It's back. So there are 2 fastest players, Pranati and Anvi,
Oh.
and they are taking up the first and second position. And behind them is Sonia, ma'am.
Great, Pranati and Anvi. Great going. Well done. Keep it up.
So the next question. So 7 got it right and 5 got it wrong. The correct answer was Pradyumna. This time Anvi was fastest, and she is topping the board with Sonia ma'am behind her.
Great going.
So this is the last question, means the coming question. majority got it right, 10 of us. So let's see who's the fastest. This time the fastest is Kanak and Kavya.
Oh,
So the winner is Anvi and the runner-ups are Sonia ma'am and Pranati.
okay, congratulations, Anvi, and to other participants. And really, it was well presented, Nirmit. Very good. We could
Thank
learn
you, ma'am.
about Lord Krishna. And in this modern tech savvy, our children are not lagging behind, and they are taking appropriate use of this technology in learning our spirituality and our culture and everything. It's good to see that.
Okay. Just another piece of information here, since we have time. Do you know which calendar do we use currently? Like when we say 2020,
Anyone?
what is this calendar known as? Do you know? It is known as
Gregorian.
So one of the historians conducted research to find out about this mythology on Krishna, to find out, because as you know, we read in the history, it is written as either BC or AD. So it's sometimes very difficult to calculate, BC, then AD. AD is generally Anno Domini, which is after Christ was born. Before Christ was BC. Then you also call it, as in our Hindu mythology, we call it before Common Era, BCE also. So there was one historian who conducted to find out let's say if we had to simulate the exact birth date of Krishna, what it would be. So it was found out that it was 20th of July, and Krishna would be completing 5,248 years. If let's say he had not left his body, like in the quiz you asked, 125 years. So had he not left his body, he would have been 5,248 years on this earth with us. Okay, just another piece of information.